What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I'm going to be answering your questions on YouTube. I got a question for you that's kind of relevant to what's been the trending topic on my channel so far about M20 motors and tuning, so let's get to it. This question is by Creed Reaper. It says here, thanks man, this was very useful info. I have a 2012 F3320i and I was really debating on stage 1 tune, and this video was exactly the info that I needed. I love the daily car, so I think it's best to save the tuning when upgrading the car with the bigger motor. Now check this out, man. You have a 328i. I don't know why I took some time to say that. You have a 328i, but the problem here is it's a 2012. I'm afraid of anything under a 2013 or 2014 because of a timing guide issue. It's a common thing, look it up on YouTube. The timing guide goes off a lot, anything under 2014 on most F30s, specifically the 320s and 328s. I'm not sure why, but if you put too much tension on the timing guide, it could just give out and then you're gonna grenade the car. So first of all, the 2012, I would just be careful with it, maybe just daily it. I would recommend that you look at something else, maybe a 335 or a 340, and then consider tuning the car when you get there. I've seen a lot of cars on YouTube, specifically Kies Motorsports. Their 335i is a monster. I mean, I think it has like 600 horsepower. I don't know, man, but I would definitely consider, sorry, my dog is like exploring the garage or not, but hey, I would consider getting a 335 or 340, anything bigger than an M20 motor to tune it, because then you'll have a lot more fun. You can be secure that the motor can handle it, and you don't have to worry about grenading the car because it's a 2012. I hope this helped you. Thank you so much for asking this question, guys. And guys, I'm here to answer your questions live on YouTube. I'm doing these test videos to see if you guys like this sort of engagement. I'm actually paying attention to your comments. So thank you once again, and Creed Reaper, thanks a lot, man. I hope you have a great day, and let me know your situation. Let me know if you upgrade, drop a comment. I would love to know if you end up getting another car or not. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys.